Former Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Pitso Mosimane has finally buried his feud with South African media personality Robert Marawa. Mosimane is currently in South Africa after his stint with Abba FC in Saudi Arabia came to an end following the club's relegation. While Mosimane is looking for a new project, he has visited several radio stations. However, there had always been one radio show Mosimane hasn't gone on for ages over an old feud with Marawa, which dated back to Mosimane's Bafana days. On Friday, though, the duo met up, settled their differences and announced they have put the bygones of the past behind them. Marawa said, "You and I have not spoken on mediums like this for many years. People have always been asking why we are not talking. I can tell South Africans that we have had a meeting today and have discussed our issues. I'm glad to say we have been adults, we have communicated, and we have agreed to move on." Mosimane said, "As I told you, I'm turning 60 years old in July, and I have looked back and decided that because you reached out and invited me to your show, it shows leadership, not weakness. I have to be humble. I have learned to let go of things. I have to show leadership. I have to show that we need to move on in life. Let bygones be bygones. I'm happy we have spoke as men, and there are many things we can do together in the future. They say reconciliation can help everybody like me and you to move in a healthier way, so why not? Let's be men and get issues out of the way. Time heals." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.